Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic, the top 5 business ideas for 2024. Whether you're looking to start your own business or expand your current ventures, these ideas are packed with potential and can help you stay ahead of the curve. Let's jump right in. First up, online education and e-learning platforms. With the rapid growth of remote learning, there's a huge demand for online courses and educational content. You can create a platform offering courses in various subjects, from professional skills to hobbies and personal development. The key to success in this field is high-quality content, user-friendly design, and effective marketing strategies. Second, health and wellness coaching. As people become more health-conscious, there's an increasing demand for personalized coaching services. This includes fitness trainers, nutritionists, mental health counselors, and life coaches. You can offer one-on-one sessions, group classes, or even online programs. Building a strong personal brand and leveraging social media can help you attract and retain clients. Third, sustainable and eco-friendly products. Consumers are more environmentally conscious than ever, and there's a growing market for products that are sustainable, organic, and ethically sourced. This can include anything from eco-friendly packaging and reusable household items to organic skincare products. Emphasizing your commitment to sustainability and transparent sourcing will resonate with this audience. Fourth, a digital marketing agency. As businesses continue to shift their focus online, there's a high demand for digital marketing services. This includes social media management, SEO, content creation, and online advertising. By providing tailored marketing strategies and demonstrating measurable results, you can help businesses grow their online presence and reach their target audience effectively. Finally, subscription box services. These have become increasingly popular across various niches, from beauty and fitness to gourmet foods and pet supplies. The key is to offer curated, high-quality products that provide value and excitement to your customers each month. A strong brand identity and excellent customer service can help you build a loyal subscriber base. These top 5 business ideas, online education, health and wellness coaching, sustainable products, digital marketing, and subscription box services, offer incredible potential for growth and success in 2024. Remember, the key to any successful business is understanding your market, providing value, and staying adaptable to changing trends. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more business tips and ideas. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay inspired and keep innovating.